What is going to be your as well as vCluster's focus and priority this year to help customers navigate this future?
We are launching Wind. I think your audience will hear it first about Wind. So it is vCluster in Docker. That is something that we are coming up with. I am personally calling it as a better kind. So we are actually going down the fundamental layer. So Wind combines the power of virtual Kubernetes cluster with the simplicity of Docker that can create isolated Kubernetes environment that are perfect for development, testing, and CI/CD pipelines. So we want the developers also to be enabled and use. So it's better than kind in a way that you can sleep and wake up your virtual cluster. You can easily add nodes. You'll have a beautiful built-in UI which is based on the vCluster free tier, which also we are launching with the same at the same time. So traditionally we had vCluster open source, which is also there. Then we have vCluster enterprise, which has the enterprise features. Now we are bringing in a free tier that is free forever for a limit of CPUs and GPU capacity. And you'll get all the features that we released last year, like private nodes, auto nodes, standalone virtual cluster. And so you get that particular beautiful UI in Wind. And then a load balancer works out of the box with Wind, and it's very difficult to make it work with kind of annoying. And then pull through cache. You can also have hybrid nodes. So you're not only you can use your local machine, you can have that locally, your Kubernetes cluster, but you can also attach an EC2 instance node via the vCluster VPN that we launched last year. So a lot of things Wind gives you out of the box. We want to go to the developer layer, and because we care about the community, I care about the community, and I always listen, and I always want to do more for them. Obviously, the enterprise stuff, is there for making money. But I think the community side of things, we are doing a lot in the first quarter itself. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, like we want AI factories to be fundamentally changed the way they are thinking by vCluster. So using vCluster right from the fundamental layer to the enterprise level, using all of the stuff like private nodes, auto nodes, and standalone, and our VPN, and making it a complete stack that you can easily plug and play and create your whole production environment ready for your AI factory.